So here we are on Google's own blog, and we're discussing basically understanding understanding search is better than ever before, and we're looking at the BERT, and there's an example before and after. It says, "Can you get medicine for someone from the pharmacy?" You can see before it was talking more about getting a prescription. The second one sort of matched exactly the intent behind the user phrase, which was getting it for someone else. So the user intent is really where BERT comes into by analyzing the relationship between the other words in the sentence. And now let's test that a bit further. So now you can see, can you get medicine for someone from the pharmacy? Which was the same phrase that we're taking from the example in Google's blog. And now let's say, can you go to the pharmacy for medicine for someone? So just a slight change. And we can see, although there's a change, it's more or less the same, but it's still relative. So Google is now giving us a different answer in this, through the search result, but it's more about going to collect someone else's medication for them. And because it understands go to the pharmacy for someone else and get the medicine for someone else. And here it says you can get it on behalf of someone. So it really matches the user intent very closely. And here it's basically, you can actually take the prescription to collect the person's medication. And here it's you can collect a prescription on behalf of someone else. So even though it's very similar, the nuances between can and can you get and can you go are accounted for with very similar results, because these are very similar search queries. But it just shows you with those nuances how BERT comes in and works so efficiently. You would expect it to sort of give exactly the same answer, and it actually has given a slightly different one that is more appropriate.